Hi, everybody. Welcome back. This is your work for Wednesday, May 6th and Thursday, May 7th. We are going to be starting a new unit today. This is going to be the last one for the year. And we are going to be working on human rights and the United Nations. Today, you're just going to try to figure out what the United Nations is. We talked about the League of Nations and how that didn't work, if you can remember back to like January and February. We're going to look at the United Nations today, and you're going to be kind of going through their website to take a look at what they do for the world. So you have one sheet, it's one page. You are going to first figure out what we do as the United Nations. The website is linked here in the question, so once you get there, you're going to go ahead and click on it. Once you get to the United Nations website, the first thing you're going to do is click the Overview tab here where my cursor is. You're just going to read the quick overview of what the United Nations does. And these first two sentences do a great job of summing that up for you, okay? So just kind of get the basics. Once you are able to complete that first question with the Overview tab, then you are going to go to the What We Do tab, okay? So you will go back to your United Nations website, and you're going to click on this gray tab here that lists what we do, okay? There are 5 big ideas or things that the United Nations looks to complete for the world, okay? Those 5 things are listed here up at the top, okay? Each one is listed on this page and explains what that means, okay? And so you are going to go through, you are going to type all 5 of these, what they do ideas down on your sheet here, A, B, C, D, and E. And I did the first one for you, so to maintain international peace and security. Once you list what it is they do, then I want you to explain what that means, okay? Don't copy and paste this whole paragraph. I don't need you to do that. I just need a sentence in your own words explaining what that means, okay? And they will tell you on that webpage. So you will complete those 5 pieces. And then the last thing to do is you're going to come up with 6 words that you believe describe what the United Nations does, okay? Put those 6 words in these boxes here, and then that's it, okay? That's all for the day. Once you have that completed, go ahead and click Turn In, and you are good to go, and we will continue on next week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or hop on Google Meet. Take care, everybody.